In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a bike. So a lot of you guys, thanks to lockdown, would have bought a bike online and you would have got it in a box. Now when you take it out of the box, after unpacking it, this is how it looks. I've just taken out the front wheel and I've kept it to the side. So everything comes separate. How do you assemble it? This video is going to teach you how. What you need is a multi-tool. Basically it's to loosen and tighten all the bolts. In some bikes, the stem is set up correctly to the fork, but in some, like in this one, it is put reverse. So basically, you have to twist this around and make sure that it's thing. How do you make out which direction the fork is in? There are two ways of making out. First is the front stay. Now this will be facing the front. The second way of checking it is your brake calipers are always behind the fork. Keep that in mind while you're setting it up. So turn this front. Do not tighten this as yet. You have more work to do. And loosen the front stem. Set your handlebars so that it is approximately in the mid-center. And now do remember when you're putting these bolts back, do not tighten it fully. Do finger tightening because you still need to center your handlebar and also set up the angle. Now most handlebars come with this, which is a little center which will help you center the handlebar. Use it and center it. Once it's centered, tighten the bolts. While these bikes are shipped, the quick release is shipped separately. That is, it's in a separate box. So take that out and put it. So this comes separately. Make sure that there's one spring on either side of the wheel, as that is what holds the wheel together. Now, before I put the front wheel, I just want to put the seat so that I get to see how it looks. Let's fit the seat. You don't need to set the height right. Now typically all the forks come with a little bit of a protector in them. Basically this is to prevent the edges from getting damaged. So just take that out. So in case you've got disc brakes, there will be a little protector here which you need to take out and then fit the wheel. Well, wheels are fitted. Now let's fit the pedals. Now pedals are always marked. There'll be a right and a left, so you have to put it there because the threading in this is different. And that is a quick assembly for this bikes. So if you guys want to see a bike spec, there's a link on top, check it out. This is my first 29er MTB. The rest of my MTBs are 27.5 or 26ers. So my first 29er. Let's see how it is. So what do you guys think of my new bike? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, safe ride everyone.